This is the biggest secret of a clean sofa. All stains and dirt disappear from any sofa or armchair instantly. Dust mites, molds, and fungi die. Companies that manufacture sofas and sell special cleaning products don't want you to know this. For this trick, we will need a large bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. It will be responsible for removing germs and bacteria. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. If possible, use a white one. Another ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. At the very end, add water. Mix everything thoroughly so that the ingredients combine. Take a clean towel or cloth and dip it in the mixture. Remove the excess by wringing it out. We need the towel to be moistened, not drenched. Once you've done this, place the cloth on the couch like this. Without worrying, place the iron in the middle of it. Wrap it exactly as I did with the cloth. Iron the couch with the iron wrapped in the towel. You won't have to dry anything. Ironing the mixture will dry it immediately. Now your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria.